Hi, my name is Elena Zhu. I am one of the board of directors for ASA. I give to ASA because I think that ASA provides Asians and Asian Americans incredible opportunities to grow on things like soft skills and understanding what it takes to be a good interviewer, skills that are needed to become better leaders for our community and better leaders for positions that they'll take in their career. I have watched these students lead and present meetings. I've watched them interpret and present analytics, and it's all skills that you're going to need eventually when you look to become that leader in your future career. I obviously want to see more Asian representation in leadership roles in every single aspect of the workforce. So I look forward to watching the students that join us grow, and I think you should give too.
You should give to Asian Student Achievement to help their mission of providing the tools and support system to Asian and Asian American students like me as we start our career paths and enter the next stages of our lives.
Giving to ASA will not only allow us to continue furthering our mission of diversifying the workplace, but will also allow us to continue providing more opportunities for high school and college students, as well as postgrad individuals, the opportunity to improve upon their personal and professional skill sets.